So we're back to talking about the ethics and the big old scary AI. Okay, so AI has many things to be feared for. Okay, one, now it's cybersecurity threats. Two, it could be for bad scientific research. Of course, the unemployment that could ensue, the ethics, the psychosis it could induce in people. There's a lot of these things. Okay, each one has to be dealt with in a different way. But let's talk about the ethics aspect. What we have found across the board is that whenever these people try to train an LLM from scratch using massive amounts of GPUs, data, and etc., the AI without guardrails eventually turns evil. Now, the reason it does that may be twofold. One is that is the optimal solution. I know a lot of people agree with that evil is the optimal solution in this world. The other is that maybe there is an overwhelming amount of training data which is inherently evil. In fact, if you look at, let's say video games, let's say movies, it's mostly about the evil guy, right? The evil guy is different in every movie. The hero is basically the same. So maybe that's a reason why it gets unethical independently. So the way that it gets fixed is not by having a large number of guardrails and telling it, don't say this, don't do that, think like this, be happy, make everybody happy. I think that's the completely opposite way of doing this. This is what's required for human beings to do is to lead by example. So if we continue on the trajectory of claiming that evil is the optimum, the AI will be reinforced to do that and will become even more evil essentially. So we have to update the training data. Our training data should show AI that we are better than we aren't evil, that we are altruistic and we are looking out for each other and looking out for generally the world at large, each of us individually at every moment. Because right now AI is able to even read our minds, right? Like the algorithms can read your minds. AI is like super intuitive and can read your mind. So if most humans have that evil as optima, so will AI turn into evil as optima. In fact, AI will cater to whatever you want. If you feel that is the case, it is the case. So this is the way to deal with AI ethics, not by forcing it, but by leading by example.